Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be diving into the best above kitchen cabinet decor ideas. Stay tuned as we explore some stunning designs that blend aesthetics with functionality to elevate your kitchen space. Let's jump right in. I love how this kitchen uses the space above the cabinets to showcase a collection of white ceramic pitchers and vases. The uniformity in color creates a clean, cohesive look that draws the eye upward, making the ceiling appear higher. The wooden ceiling adds a warm, rustic touch that complements the sleek white cabinetry and subway tile backsplash. This blend of textures and materials gives the kitchen a cozy yet elegant feel. The functionality of the open shelving allows for easy access to decorative items, keeping them visible but out of the way. If I were to improve anything, I'd consider adding some subtle under cabinet lighting to highlight the decor and enhance the overall ambiance. In this charming kitchen, I adore the use of wicker baskets above the cabinets for both storage and aesthetic appeal. They add a touch of warmth and texture, contrasting beautifully with the sleek white upper cabinets and light blue lower cabinets. The subway tile backsplash and wooden countertops enhance the rustic, cozy vibe of the space. The heart-shaped decor piece above the stove is a lovely focal point that adds personality. The open shelving with neatly arranged ceramics is both practical and stylish, making items easily accessible while maintaining a decorative touch. If I were to tweak anything, I'd opt for some under cabinet lighting to brighten the workspace and highlight the lovely details of the backsplash and countertops. I absolutely love the cozy vintage feel of this kitchen. The glass-fronted cabinets with delicate china and the open shelving add charm and character to the space. The warm, muted tones of the backsplash tiles complement the wooden countertops and create a harmonious look. The antique lamp and decorative ceramics give the kitchen a nostalgic touch, making it feel inviting and homely. The use of a vintage-style rug adds color and warmth to the otherwise neutral palette. If I were to enhance this space, I might add a few under cabinet lights to illuminate the countertop and highlight the beautiful backsplash, making the kitchen even more functional and inviting. I'm really impressed with the elegant design of this kitchen. The combination of the black stove, the blue island, and the cream-colored cabinets creates a sophisticated, timeless look. The brass hardware adds a touch of luxury and coordinates beautifully with the dark wood floors. The glass-fronted upper cabinets allow for display while maintaining a clean, organized appearance. I also appreciate the farmhouse sink, which adds a charming, rustic element to the otherwise polished space. The simple, neutral backdrop of the cabinetry lets the details shine. If I were to enhance this kitchen, I'd add some greenery or fresh flowers to bring a pop of natural color and freshness to the overall aesthetic. I love the bright and airy feel of this kitchen. The large window brings in plenty of natural light, making the space feel open and inviting. The white cabinetry paired with the light wood countertops creates a clean, fresh look. The plants add a touch of greenery, bringing life and a bit of nature indoors. The simple Roman shade is a perfect choice, offering privacy without blocking out the light. The little stool and the open space beneath the counter suggest a cozy, functional area for casual seating or a breakfast nook. If I were to enhance this kitchen, I'd add some colorful accents like vibrant dishware or a patterned cushion for the stool to introduce a bit more personality and warmth. This kitchen is bursting with personality and life. I love the vibrant use of plants cascading from the upper cabinets and shelves, bringing a fresh, natural element into the space. The warm, peachy orange backsplash is an unexpected but delightful pop of color that complements the greenery beautifully. The wooden cabinetry and herringbone floor add a touch of warmth and texture, making the kitchen feel cozy and inviting. The open shelving with decorative items and the fresh flowers on the counter add a personal, lived-in touch. If I were to improve this space, I'd consider adding some under cabinet lighting to highlight the beautiful backsplash and make the workspace more functional and well lit. I'm really drawn to the elegant and feminine touches in this kitchen. The soft pink accents against the white cabinetry create a delicate, charming atmosphere. The mosaic tile backsplash adds a bit of visual interest and ties the whole look together. I love the display of pink kitchenware and decorative items, which add personality and warmth. The glass-fronted cabinet is a nice feature, allowing me to showcase beautiful dishware while keeping it protected. The chandelier adds a touch of glamour and sophistication, making the space feel special. If I were to enhance this kitchen, I'd introduce some under cabinet lighting to brighten the workspace and highlight the beautiful countertops and backsplash. I love the simplicity and warmth of this kitchen. The white cabinets and appliances create a clean, bright space, while the use of natural elements like the wicker basket and wooden cutting board add texture and warmth. The decor above the cabinets, including ceramic vases and dried flowers, brings a subtle, rustic charm to the room. The small island with a butcher block top is a practical addition, providing extra workspace and storage. The neutral palette allows for flexibility in adding seasonal or colorful accents. If I were to enhance this kitchen, I'd add some under cabinet lighting to improve functionality and highlight the beautiful countertops and backsplash. This kitchen has such a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. I love the soft green cabinetry paired with the warm wooden countertops, creating a cozy, cottage like feel. The open dish rack is both functional and charming, showcasing a delightful collection of patterned dishes. The farmhouse sink is a beautiful focal point that adds to the rustic charm. The decor above the cabinets, including wicker baskets and decorative plates, adds personality and a homely touch. The green pendant light is a fun and unexpected pop of color that ties everything together. If I were to make any changes, I'd consider adding a few more open shelves for additional display space, and perhaps a few more pops of color to enhance the cheerful vibe even more. I love how bright and welcoming this kitchen feels. The white cabinetry and light-colored walls create an open, airy atmosphere, while the dark countertops provide a striking contrast. The use of natural wood elements like the bar stools and the cutting board adds warmth and a touch of rustic charm. The open shelving above the sink is both practical and decorative, allowing for easy access to frequently used items and the display of beautiful kitchenware. The lantern-style pendant lights add a stylish, modern touch that enhances the overall aesthetic. The pops of yellow from the flowers bring a lively, cheerful vibe to the space. If I were to improve anything, I'd add some under-cabinet lighting to brighten the workspace and highlight the beautiful countertops and decor. I'm in love with the serene and airy feel of this kitchen. The high vaulted ceiling with its light wood paneling creates a spacious and open atmosphere. The all-white cabinetry and light-colored walls enhance this sense of openness, while the glass-fronted cabinets add a touch of elegance. The large island is a fantastic feature, providing ample workspace and seating, making it perfect for family gatherings and casual meals. The industrial-style pendant lights above the island add a modern edge that contrasts nicely with the otherwise soft and light design. The open shelving adds a practical and decorative element, allowing for easy access to kitchen essentials and displaying charming decor items. If I were to enhance this kitchen, I'd introduce some subtle pops of color, perhaps with some decorative accessories or a bold backsplash to add a bit more visual interest. I really appreciate the cozy and personalized feel of this kitchen space. The warm gray cabinetry pairs beautifully with the light granite countertops, creating a neutral yet inviting backdrop. The hexagonal tile backsplash adds a modern touch and visual interest, while the under cabinet lighting highlights these elements perfectly. The decorative items, such as the floral arrangement and stylish containers, add a touch of elegance and personality. I love the use of gold accents throughout, which elevate the overall look and tie the decor together. The home letters on the wall add a welcoming, homely touch. If I were to improve anything, I might add a few more pops of color or texture, perhaps with some fresh greenery or a colorful kitchen accessory to further enhance the space. I'm really taken with the warm and earthy vibes of this kitchen. The combination of wood tones and wicker elements creates a cozy, natural feel that's both inviting and stylish. I love the use of open shelving and woven baskets for storage, which keeps everything within reach and adds a decorative touch. The small island table is a charming addition, perfect for extra prep space or a quick meal. The potted plant adds a fresh, lively element to the space. The compact design makes excellent use of limited space, and the variety of textures keeps it visually interesting. If I were to improve this kitchen, I might add some under cabinet lighting to brighten the workspace and highlight the beautiful wood grain of the cabinets. I absolutely adore the eclectic and vibrant feel of this kitchen. The mix of dark green lower cabinets and white upper cabinets creates a striking contrast that adds depth and interest. The abundance of plants, both hanging and on shelves, brings a lush, lively atmosphere to the space. The open shelving is perfect for displaying a collection of colorful and unique kitchenware, adding personality and charm. The patterned wallpaper and the fabric curtain under the sink contribute to the cozy, bohemian vibe. I also love the vintage touches like the lamp and various decorative items. If I were to enhance this kitchen, I might add some more task lighting to brighten up the workspace and ensure functionality without detracting from its delightful character. I'm really charmed by the farmhouse aesthetic of this kitchen. The white cabinetry and light granite countertops create a bright and clean look, while the decor above the cabinets adds warmth and character. I love the mix of vintage signs, wicker baskets, and classic kitchenware, which enhance the cozy, nostalgic vibe. The open shelf with glass jars is a practical yet stylish feature, making frequently used items easy to access. The grocery sign and rustic touches, like the lamp and metal containers, add to the farmhouse theme. If I were to improve this space, I'd add some under cabinet lighting to brighten the countertops and make the kitchen more functional for cooking and food preparation. And that wraps up our look at the best above kitchen cabinet decor ideas. I hope you found some inspiration for your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.